Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the compressor safe. Shut off power, release tank pressure, and wear gloves. Once the tank is depressurized, open the manual drain valve at the lowest point. Water collects there first. Use a container that can hold contaminated water and shut it securely when full. This step removes bulk liquid quickly and prevents rust. Make sure to close the drain tightly after draining. You'll repeat this process regularly to minimize internal corrosion. With bulk water out, you focus on internal removal. Remove and inspect filters, because saturated elements trap moisture and reduce airflow. If your compressor has an air/oil separator or dedicated moisture trap, drain or replace it. These parts stop emulsified water from circulating. Next, check condensate lines and automatic drains for kinks or clogs. Clean or replace defective fittings so condensate evacuates reliably. These steps restore efficiency and stop water from re-entering the system during use. Finish by repressurizing briefly and observing the tank and downstream lines for residual water. Small amounts can show where moisture remains. Confirm regulators and hoses are dry. Install an inline refrigerated or desiccant dryer if ambient humidity is high. If water persists, inspect for leaks, failed automatic drains, or condensing at cool fittings. Fix or replace the faulty component. If the drain valve leaks or clogs, replace it immediately. That single part often solves recurring moisture problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.